What do we want?
Repeal the Eighth!
When do we want it?
Now!
What do we want?
Repeal the Eighth!
This decision has not been taken lightly. Throughout its 52-year history, Project Art Centre has always placed itself at the centre of social and political issues, and has done this through the art it has presented, produced and displayed. Through its absence, this political artwork lives on in the thousands of people who have taken its heart into theirs. You can paint over a mural, but you can't paint over an issue.
This is a piece of political art. It's become iconic, really, with young people, people who want this social change being brought about, have taken the Mason mural as their kind of symbol that they wear on t-shirts and on stickers and so on. So today, I think that people are angry that they see posters up which they feel are shaming of women or making women invisible. That's fine, but this can be censored. I don't think it's going to have the effect that the people who complained would like it to have. I think that people will hopefully use their anger at this in the productive way, go out and actually fight now to win this referendum.
I do think as legislators, though, this event has really highlighted for us the need to revisit our legislation on charities regulation. So it is part of a bigger issue that's ongoing, and indeed many charities, as part of the Charities Alliance, the Wheel, have come together in the past to take issue with the Charities Commissioner on this issue of regulatory charities. So I do think it's something we'll have to revisit again. But certainly in the short term, it is disappointing to see a mural like this with great artistic merit being painted over in this way.